Hey, this is Greg over at DIY RV and Home, coming back at you with another tip hack. In our pantry we don't have any lights, so it's really hard to see what's in the back. So I was out and about, ran across these GE wireless puck lights. Comes 4 in a kit, and so I thought I'd give it a try. Right now we're up at Sagehand Reservoir camping while we're filming this video. Now the remote comes with 2 batteries for it, but the puck lights themselves do not come with batteries. So each one does take 3 AA batteries, and also there is an adhesive double-sided tape that you can use to stick them on, or that set of screws that I've just pulled out, each one had. So here I am installing some generic batteries, and quick twist of the back cover and she's on. Now these are also designed with a manual switch right there, where you can turn each one individually on, or you can set it to automatic and you can remotely operate all of them at the same time with the push of the button. And so we decided that we were going to use the adhesive backing instead of trying to screw it into anything. We put them on the bottom side of the shelves inside the pantry, along with on the ceiling of the pantry. And real simple, easy, and that 3M tape felt like it was going to be really durable. We'll find out over time. So trying to do this one-handed with the camera in the other hand is not that easy. I do get it accomplished, but if I did it again, I'd probably let my wife could do the videoing for me. So just pressed and held it on there for a couple seconds. As you can see, quite a bit of light inside the pantry. Now we have to go in and reorganize now that we can actually see what's in there. And so trying out the remote, and think these are going to do really well. Now for the remote control, we decided to mount it inside the pantry, like I said, and it didn't come with adhesive or anything like that. It had a little screw hole for it to be mounted on. We just used some another set of 3M double-sided tape that I have, put it on there. If we ever do have to change the batteries, fairly simple to go ahead and get that off of there. And that stuff's kind of hard to get off to get it prepped, but decided to turn the light on so I can actually see where I'm going to place it. And there we are. Real nice and simple, easy to get to. There will be a link for the lights in the description below. Hope everyone has a great summer on your adventures. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please share, subscribe, and like. See you on the next video.